for dito sa Reggie Elegi contest.
Okay. Power nap being committed here right away by the Snorlax to just disengage. Pero low on HP naman dito ang Umbreon. And it's going to be the block here. Just trying to fend off the members of PNK McKilling. Pero mauuna dito. What? No. There's going to be the Unite move coming in from that Umbreon. Taking down the shields and snatching them away. Ang tira na lang dito is going to the Pikachu.
Sa ating game na to at kailangan may gawin sila dito para ma-alerto itong Princess Leia.
And actually,
And here comes the team fight.
sinunod na nga niya dito ang kanyang engagement. And it's going to be 3 members down na ngayon. And it's going to be Navi going wild onto the back lane. Upos dito ang Thunderclap Estrella. It's kind of over. And speaking of over, it might be over for the 2 members down bottom. And it's going to be Skitty being caught out. Minlook, titigan mo ko sa aking mata. And it's going to be the support looking for blood. And the eject button being invested.
Pikachu.
Kind of a weird is now starting for the side of Thunderclap Estrella. Nakakatakot dito si Jade with a big hammer. It's going to be, wala pang makakuha, but it's actually a very messy fight. Open sa Thunderclap Estrella dito ang Reggie Eleki at may iwan na ata dito mag-isa si Thermo. PNK. Glacial Stage being popped off here.
Oh no.
Ating Glaceon at ubos na nga dito ang mga miyembro. The Queen herself, once again, left alone. Kaya mo pa ba mag-defend? She's going to run away pero wala na siyang matatakbuhan dahil babagsak na siya.
Hirapan yung PNK makiling doon kasi numbers game, talo sila. At ito pa nga, Limon, low health on this Meowscarada. Meanwhile, yung Psyduck, ang sakit with that Sayayay!
Moonlight France, sabayan mo pa ng entrance coming in from that Meowscarada but still not going to be enough. Libra still. May iwan dito sa Skitty. Blunder. Actually dito tinamaan mga miyembro sa likod ng Thunderclap Estrella. They're getting picked off one by one. Isa-isa na silang tumatakbo sa kanya-kanyang takbo dito ang mga miyembro nila. Jade trying her best to actually stall out the members pero maubos naman dito ang buhay ng mga miyembro ng PNK McKilling kasi nandito na si Libra. Too much and they are going to be forced to back away from this one. Sama mo ba yung dalawa? 2 KO streak. Hindi pa siya tapos dahil hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang laban sa ating ibaba. Knock-up is in. 3 KO streak. Talagang nag-iintay na lang dito na ubusin sila. Nag-iintay na lang 5 KO streak. And Navi being forced to use the Unite move pero no, wala pa rin. 4 KO streak na siya ngayon. And the onslaught is just continuing. 5. 5 na ang nakulita ni Libra sa ating ibaba at nagwawala na nga ang Thunderclap Estrella pero Moonlight France naman ang magiging sagot dito ng PNK McKilling, trying to find something, trying to find anything pero Libra still.
Grabe.
6 KO streak, 7 KO streak na kung bibilangin mo.
Ball tackle, may instant pick-up. Pero meanwhile, they're just trying to poke and here's the engage coming from Umbreon. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng teamfight. Sayayay, Flora Flourish has already been popped. 2 down for PNK McKilling. Princess Leia, Blissey silang nawala at the Gigot Hammer smashes through Pikachu.
Kung nagkasalsihan, nag-back away yung si Libra. Ang plano niya ata mag-score for herself. It's going to be a fight doon sa ating itaas. It's going to be 5 members up against 3. Pero hindi ata
good defense coming from
the
Easy.
defense is in. Defense ang Marino. And now, it's only going to be the 4th member left. And we are going to game number 3. The mid Altarius now spawning in. The contest is in. Navi just trying to find and engage. There's going to be the heavy slam though. Bagsak ngayon si Coffee pero ang mga miyembro nila nauubos na din ng HP. They are now being burned down one by one. Literal, sinunod sila dito ni Eureka. Sign of life na hinihingi natin kanina pa.
Tingin ko PNK McKilling, huwag na silang pumuwersa ng ating teamfight. Bagkus, kailangan mag-farm na lang sila. Good news for PNK McKilling, meron na mga Unite move yung kanilang mga carries at chance to have a big team fight win here. Pero Bliss Assistance has been used, Fairy Flourish as well, at yung Charizard, fire breathing lang dito sa Gedli. And 1 is down for TC Estrella, and 2 is down, 3.
Pero here comes the re-engagement for Thunderclap. Niliparan na ni Jade dito. Dalawa na ang bagsak. Gawin mong tatlo. Isusunod na nga ba dito ang pang-apat? Apat na nga ang nailista. But Jade is now going to get taken down and Navi trying to defend with this with all her own she's got. But that is going to be stopped. Pero tatakbo na muna dito ang ating slow bro. Limon PNK. Turning the tables around. What a game number 3.
Which na gusto nila yung team fight at skirmishes na kaya nilang ipanalo. Meanwhile, Fanciful Fireworks has been popped. Snorlax is trying to pick up Libra. Dinakot!
dinakot. And nasa back lane, it's going to be Libra all alone. 2 versus 3 sa ating ibaba, but that is going to be one thing. And that
Libra
one is going to be
reheating once again. What's the reaction here? At telekinesis. No to go. And now Navi is trying to burst Rayquaza. Ito na, nagkaroon na nga ng skirmish dito sa taas.
Nagkaroon ng
Navi's
skirmish sa
down.
taas. Grabe,
Oh, no.
to be one down. That Aegis Slash is down. Unti-unti na silang bumabagsak pero bumabawi pa rin naman dito ang ating
Hiwalay,
PNG
PNG.
healing. Hihiwalay na sila, hiwa-hiwalay na sila. And they are scattered and they are all in pieces. 30 seconds left on the clock. 3 members still alive. Ano bang magagawa nyo? It is going to be possibly a new legacy ngayon. It's going to be Jade and Libra taking down the defender. The last one to defend the throne is
Altarius Spawn.
yes, it's going to be the Altarius Spawn nga naintay nila. Eureka now going in, the slicing and dicing, pero mukhang ang slice and dice dito ay ang ating code unknown QR, and that is going to be 2 members down. Make the 3 members down, bagsak din dun si Jade. And a very shocking, literally shocking opening for the side of code unknown QR. Nakasal na mga objectives natin. There's going to be a try
With it.
contest dito sa ating ibaba. Regirak though being secured here for code unknown QR. Sabay mo parang talon ngayon, and Libra is going to get taken down. Yung kanina pang laso na inalason na dito ni Meshi.
Meshi with an aggressive Brave Bird.
Iba yung ano niya eh, iba yung talent play niya eh. Instead of running the fly na karamihan tinatakpan niya na nga, CNC to the back lane, huli doon yung tatlo. And now it's going to be 1 member left. And now Libra, the only one left standing in just a glimpse of an eye. Talagang naubos sila.
Fair.
Talagang they're trying to enforce the lead that they have currently. And Ira Glacial Stage just try to deny the members here of Code Unknown QR. Pinabagsak-bagsak na dito ang Bright Future Meteor Storm. Napakahabang Unite name pero very effective. As the members of Thunderclap Astrea once again wiped off the map. Thunderclap Astrea finding something, a good trade, a good value down bottom, at mukhang habulin nila dito ang mga scattered members of Code Unknown QR, and that is going to be 1 down. Ay nakapagsak na ang una, bagsak na ang pangalawa, and that is going to be Eureka taking down the members. And now the
Here comes
Empress
Lara.
taking home 1 versus 4. What can you do? Samahan mo pa si Rayleigh onto the back lane. They're just trying to go away.
Sir.
So uli dito si Lara, grabe nga yan, Gyro Ball doon. 2 KO streak, and the chase still continues for Lara. Mukhang siya na
Hey!
dito ngayon ni Coffee, and ayun na nga.
Lara is there to provide to provide space to zone. Nandiyan din si Economia para mag-zone itong Ombre na to. Meanwhile, Ryle ay na naman walang masagot itong TC Astrea, but they will get the Reggie Alecki onto the top lane.
Actually, this looks kind of good for Thunderclap Astrea, pero nga lang, ang HP pa dito, yung ating Miraidon onto the backlane. Once again, napak-slippery. Talaga nakakawala siya dito sa mga engages na tinatry ng Thunderclap Astrea. And once again, they have to take down
Hammer that she has, pwedeng maabot itong si Miraidon.
Si Jade! Bagsak agad! The Queen Slayer is already down! Doon pa lang, pero CNC on their back lane. Lara starts the fight, and she's going to be the one to finish it! Babagsak na nga dito si Coffee, low on HP! The Love is now in! There's it! It's going to be the Empress! Claiming the bounty and claiming the victory for game number 1 agad! Nakakaamoy ako ng onting laban na magaganap dito sa ating itaas.
It's a 2v3
Uy!
battle to the top lane, and looks like Umbreon's gonna go down. At yung Code Unknown QR, talagang nakuha nila yung numbers game doon. Sinubukan nila i-puwersa to. And now they taken off Jade into this talent play. Meanwhile, Libra just trying to get a kill. Pero sabi nila, not this time, my friend.
Low on HP ngayon dito at Snorlax.
Good heavy slam.
Naman dito ng bush. Doon sa ating likuran, low on HP, and now Thunderclap Astrea being forced back once again. Code Unknown QR sets their sight onto this Regirock, and the block comes in. Mukhang may ipit pa nga dito si Skitty. Skitty being left alone.
Oh no.
But the 4 members of Code Unknown QR. Yung support, but the defender is now down. Kind of the window of opportunity for the side of Thunderclap Astrea, pero talagang may-utilize ba nila to kasi nandito ng mga membro ngayon ng Code Unknown QR. And Meshi trying to do something, pero mukhang masyadong nag-asim dito ang Thunderclap Astrea. Kasi ito na nga mga miyembro ng Code Unknown QR, bagsak na naman doon. Isa na nga sila dito nagiging ally. As the conquest of Code Unknown QR here on the bottom lane continues.
Ayun na nga, Code Unknown QR, they have waited the perfect time to push through. Meanwhile, Lara onto the top lane. Tamang farm lang, tamang kuha ni Reggie Eleki, and she's gonna be really painful pag bumaba na siya at sumali dito sa clash na to.
Advantage ang nasa Code Unknown QR ngayon. Regirock is now spawning in at mukhang nauna nga dito ang Code Unknown QR and you'll be taking that one. Jade ngayon onto the backlane, CNC naman dito, mapuri dito sa Skitty, pero yung naka-slow beam, being committed once again, Flame Sweep to just try and stall away the members of Code Unknown QR, pero the
Lara
fight
against three.
The fight is still going on as Lara is just soaking the damage. Parang walang bawas sa kanya. But here comes the advancements of Thunderclap Estrella. There's going to be 2 down once again, pero isa lang ang babagsak sa kanila. Nagkakaroon na ng pagbawi dito ang Thunderclap Estrella, and this match, ito na ata yung pinaka-komportable sila ngayon. And Lara just ticking away. Babagsak dito ang Empress sa ating ibaba. So yun yung naging storya kanina eh. And grabe na nga dito si Lara sa backlane, trying to find Limpak. Limpak down. Phantom ambush din naman doon sa likuran para tanggalin yung dalawa. Meshi for the 2 KO streak.
The block. Lara going in, Magnetic Rise. Ito na nga yung teamfight na hinahanap mo, Kauri.
Ito na nga yung teamfight na hinahanap natin. Ito na nga ang paglipad dito ng ating Charizard, pero mukhang huli na ang lahat. Dalawa ang bagsak sa Thunderclap Estrella ngayon. It's going to be the both defenders. Jade, the only one left standing, trying to find an opening. Siguro gusto niya makakuha dito ng last hit sa ating Rayquaza. Low on HP na Rayquaza ngayon.
Can Code Unknown can finish the story, the play. Use too soon.
Use too soon nga naman dito sa Queen Slayer.
Uy,
Kaya makukuha dito ng Thunderclap Estrella ang Rayquaza. Lamang sila dito sa points. And oh my god, this could potentially be a game number 3. At mukhang nagka-blunder doon ng Code Unknown QR. Code Unknown QR, they want to seal it off. Ngayon pa lang tayo na magkakaroon tayo ng konting pakpakan din sa ating gitna. May ipit ang
Eureka. Ooh.
It's very low. Si Lara ay bagsak.
Another one.
Hindi pa tapos si Eureka sa likod. And being forced to back away ngayon dito si Engino. At grabe talaga yung zoning ng Zyda. Kanina pa siya dito. Pero ito na ang Braveheart sa likuran. Ayun lang pala ang sagot. Huli ka kalbo ng sabi dito ng ating Talonflame onto the back end.
Yung top lane na itong Code Unknown QR. And even though they're gonna get this Reggie Ice, eto na nga yung magkakaroon tayo ng teamfight. The Glacial Icicle Spear been punching through. Telekinesis makukuha. Oh!
That is going to be Raptor securing that one, and that is whipping and wiping the floor. Whether it be the game to decide it all, whether it be the game to reset the bracket, yun ang hindi natin alam ngayon. Coffee being caught
Napalalim mga tayo, Coffee!
to use that slow Moonlight Brand from the back lane. Oh, boss ng shield ng Club Estrella.
Oh, no!
Deciphering the enemies. At ito na nga ang pag-abante nila. Pero Libra is trying to
Libra!
this.
Oh!
Here comes Code Unknown QR finally. Take the Rayquaza down, and they need to take it out swiftly and surely. Pero ito na nga ang pagpasok ng Thunderclap Estrella. Pabagsak ngayon si Jade. The Queen Slayer is down.
Messi!
At si Yuri, can you be the hero once again? Hindi na! Ito na ang pag-abante ng Code Unknown QR, the new Queens! And Thea Sky Ruins! You are now witnessing in front of your eyes